Hi guys, welcome back. Now we're going to talk about the CRAZII system version 10.4 on what happened on 15 February. Now, why are we doing this separation in between, right? Because we are doing recording, and you notice our recording now have upgraded with subtitles available. This is a new upgrade because we really want to go into the regional market for our business, and then we want more and more people to use our indicator. That's why we are doing all this right now. Yep. Okay, let's just go into the yesterday last week's market. Just give me a short moment to bring out the charts. So every morning I wake up very early just to do this. Hopefully you guys will appreciate this. Yeah. Okay, so this is what happened on last Friday, US Dow Jones, and we talk about it. Well, there is a very interesting thing I tell you, right, guys? There is a CCRY on last Thursday, and I tell you there's a KCL line that is at 44,695. Okay, I see if I can bring my thing over to this side here. Okay, so when I told you guys when there was a KCL market over there, and once the market breaks below it, cannot go above the KCL line, the market will sell. And truth be told, on last Friday, the Dow Jones actually came down. Okay, all right. So there's something that you all must take note. Yeah. Okay, so now the next thing is that how did we trade or fare on last Friday? Let's take a look. So at the start, the market ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Okay, all was okay until here is out there was a two diamond combo, which is actually supposed to be a good buy call, right? So, but then you had to put a white color line there, and that was where things started to change. You can see that initially there was upside, so all is good, but suddenly the price came down. That was something that's not usual. And once it goes below OP, now you notice now that the upside haven't hit KTR plus one, right? The KTR plus one hasn't been traded at all. So we all know that, right? If the market cannot go above KTR plus one and start to go below OP, right? Then there's a 95% chance you'll see KTR minus one triggered. And indeed, there was a first wave of selling. Then after that, there was it's a diamond there. You put a line at the closing price. You know that's below OP. So once again, once the market goes below the white line, you're supposed to sell, and you sell all the way. Now, why it stopped here? Because this is the MLP. This is the MLP of the market. That's why the market stopped there nicely. Then after that, it breaks further, and then we can see that KTR minus one was given. Now, during this period of time, if you notice on the bottom of your screen, the KSI, the KCX, all were bearish. So if you were to go in back then and buy here, oh gosh, you will be, you'll be fake out. That means that the market purposely push it up, let you think that it's going to be up, but you know it's below OP, you know that the KSI is red, the KCX is blue, and then you know that the diamonds inform that this particular white line, as long as the market cannot go above it, you will sell. So all these are the rules of the market that if you actually trade it and understand this, you will not make this mistake. And as a matter of fact, you will be able to know that that was a fake upside and short according to the market. All right, if all clear, press the next number 5 right now. Okay, very good. Then what happened? You can see that after that, there was a diamond at the bottom, right? So a lot of people say, oh, the diamond must be very bad for me. Then I don't trade anymore. Wrong, guys. Put a diamond, put a white line. Guys, trust yourself, trust the system. Once you see a diamond at the bottom, especially if it's actually supported by a KTR, you know that this upside will actually be good. So once it crosses above the MLP, now middle level price is a very important price. Mid-level price, if the market stays above MLP, it's always a buy. Remember that? Yes, even though it's below OP, but you can still consider a buy because MLP is the mid-range of what happened yesterday, opening and the closing price. So straight away, boom, look at the Dow Jones all the way back to the next pivot, makes technical point. In this case, is the OP of the day. Only when after that it failed to stay above OP, then it resumed the selling. Now by then itself, right, you should know by now you have already finished almost the whole day. KTR given, all given, you shouldn't be trading anymore. But if you insist to trade, then of course you can just follow the same diamond per process. You just have to put the four diamonds in, draw the line. If it stays above the line, you buy. If it stays below the line, you just have to sell. And truth be told, you can see what happened after that. Okay, guys? So pretty simple, right? If you use the system well and understand this, just draw the line and enjoy the whole process. Okay, so this is NASDAQ. NASDAQ was a bit easier, but there's a lot of four diamonds everywhere, but it's the same concept. Is that once you see it's above OP, the four diamond there, draw the white line, and then you pump it up to aim for the KTR plus one, and you're done. Okay? So if the market breaks below OP, you can sell. All right, hopefully it goes down. But once it goes down, you don't, this is not going to go down anymore. You draw whatever diamonds available. You can see that the market just refused to go down. So when the market refuses to go down, then the opposite will attract. It will start to go up again. So it's really not difficult. But on last Friday, the diamonds are quite a fair bit. There's a lot of turnaround point in the market. All right, going to skip S&P and just go straight to the gold market. So what happened on gold on Friday? You can see that the market breaks below the pivot 2, which I told you guys. Even though the KSI was green, KCS was black, a lot of people say, Cal, how come your indicator say green and positive, but the market goes down? I tell you, we follow price action. We don't care the other thing. But if the market has combination of the market direction plus the indicator, then we know that okay, go for big. Okay, so back to the gold market. Okay, it was sideways for a while, and then it was turning point here, guys. This is the 4 diamonds. And then you draw a white line and a 4 diamond, you notice that the market has triggered the KTR plus 1 just nicely. And once it hit the KTR plus 1, and then there's a 4 diamond there, you must draw the white line. And you draw the white line, you notice straight away the market goes below the white line. That is the first sign of trouble. And then after that, right, there was a stacked diamond here, whereby stacked diamond was supposed to bring you higher, right? But because KTR plus 1 was already given, you draw the white line at the closing price of the stacked diamond. Almost immediately, you can see this happen, and the market actually broke below pivot 2 at the same time. When I saw this, I know confirm for sure gold will come down, and then indeed when the market touched the OP and come back down again, that's why I keep on selling gold. And I think that some of you guys actually sold gold together with me, and we profited at KTR -2 or some -3. But for me, it doesn't matter. The main important thing is that the system managed to tell me that this is a turning point, and this is a turning point. And when the market breaks pivot 2, it's always a sell. All clear? If all clear, press number 6. Okay, guys. All right. So this is how we traded gold on Friday, and you can use the same concept for today and tomorrow and everything. But you can see that for crude oil, same thing, hit the KTR plus 1, then straight away goes down and came back to KTR -1. So the probability of this and this is really 80 to 85%. So as long as you know how to use these statistics to your advantage every day to make money from the market, it's definitely not difficult. All right, guys, that will be all for today's morning session. I try to keep it short and simple. And of course, a lot of information has been given. I hope you guys have profited from the market. Do send me and let me know. All right, this is Kel signing off. Take care and have a